Hey there, Ryan here for Silly Reviews. I just discovered a computer tip that you may find really helpful. Now, this is something I wish I would have known about many years ago. I'm on Windows 10, and I've always been annoyed by how slow the Windows image viewer is on Windows 10. And from what I've read, I don't have any computers with Windows 11 yet, but from what I've read, it's equally slow because it's the same app on Windows 11. Why is it so slow? I don't know, but I hate how small it shows the image, and there's too much junk. Do you want to use Clipchamp and all this other stuff? It's unnecessary. On Windows 7, Windows 8, the image viewer was perfect. It had a couple share options. You could quickly jump to the editing on the simple like paint type editor if you wanted to. Well, I just discovered something, and I'll tell you, over the years I've replaced the default image viewer on these computers that I use that have Windows 10 with like XN View. What's another one? iFran View or InfraView, iFran View. And I never really liked them. They were a little bit faster, but still wasn't my cup of tea. I was missing the photo viewer, the Windows photo viewer from Windows 7 and Windows 8. Well, check this out. So when I go to open an image now, let's see, we'll just open a screenshot. I believe the default, all right, look how slow that's going. But anyway, right, so this is the full-fledged photo viewer, Windows image viewer in Windows 10, and I believe it's the same in Windows 11, right? So I hate everything about it, and it's slow. But then we'll open it again. Then how did I stumble upon there's a legacy version? Was I in settings? This could have been where I was. There is a legacy version. There it is. Look, down here in settings, it says Photos Legacy. The prior Photos app is now called Photos Legacy and is available to download for free in the Microsoft Store. So we click that link, go to the Microsoft Store. It'll tell you, yeah, we've launched this all new photo app, which I hate, but they have Photos Legacy still available. Well, it opened it because I've already installed it, but that's if you don't have it already installed, it would bring you to the store. Okay, so now we want to make this our default photo viewer. So how do we do that? Because right now when I double click, it's going to bring up the version that I hate. So what you do is you right click and then go to open with. All right, open with. Here's some options here, and you can see Photo Legacy is on the list. But if I just click that, it's going to open it, but only one time will it open it in Photos Legacy. The next time I double click on an image, it'll still go back to Photos. What you have to do is go to choose another app. Now click Photos Legacy, and you see this right here. Make sure this is ticked. Always use this app to open PNG files. Damn it, I wish it said all image files. So when I open a JPEG or bitmap or what are the ones that are used on the internet now that not a lot of apps like? Anyway, I'll probably have to do it for every extension of normal image files. But for now, there we go. This is what I like. Much faster. Oh yeah, it doesn't have a million options and share cloud, video edit, whatever. That's the move. So if you've always been frustrated by how slow the Windows Photo app is, when you've moved on to Windows 10 and Windows 11, your answer is available, and I would imagine one day they're going to remove the legacy from the official Windows store, that Microsoft store, but we would always hope that it would still be available, as an executable or installer package, whatever, on the internet. I'm sure it'll be kept alive by good people who do that. So there's your answer. If you hate is it Photos? What is it called again? If you hate the Windows Photos app, Photos Legacy is probably the answer that you want. There you go. I'm Ryan, Silly Reviews. Hope this helped you. If you have anything to say about it, anything to add, please do that in the comments, and I'll see you next time.